save us from the possible despondency of that, please, Karl Beer.
Evening all. I think I'll go a bit off politics. It's sort of old poem really. Can you hear me all right, yeah? Overthinking, maybe. Yeah, I do it too much. My pen is sick to the sight of paper. My scared ink starts to touch the produce of fallen trees, like I'm rejuvenating these rotten leaves. Can I remove my head? Oh geez, if I could, it would please. Leave me content, all alone, nice and comfy, on my bed. Yet still thoughts run riot, causing chaos in my head. My body abused, my mind warped, enlightened, I don't know. Mostly drugs and alcohol, like many a human being. Oh boy, I did fall. My heart's racing through a panic fright. Pen's friend with paper, now not knowing what to write. And as I listen to the wind, howling wild outside, I open up to no one, and in myself, I confide. What the fuck is going on here? Where the fuck do I start? It's like I'm ripping through my mind, my soul and my heart. Dream ships sailed away under the bridge of time. Words freely written, not knowing if they are mine. Reality check, here and now. I sometimes wish I never knew, you see, this metaphoric matrix pill now swallowed inside of me. As I'm staring blankly at the TV, is it them? Is it me? Oh, it must not be a conspiracy. And I remote flick. ITV3. It's Martin McGuinness, ITN News. I cannot do accents like I'm trying to amuse. You say, hey up lad, do you like gravy? Well, tell you how spliffing rather I'm in the navy. Flick. Why aye man, up the tune like. Calm down, calm down. Need a stereotype. Flick. Come with it rude boy, like a bad boy selector. Flick. This is a combine harvester, it's not a track. Flick. Mad fritter kid, mas hacienda Manchester. Flick. Don't play shootout, DMB Gangchester. Bad flick. Can we go in the big truck with the flashing lights? Like I want to make love I threw a sermon now. Flick. Not from Birmingham, I'm from Dudley. Back home a cunch is far more good. Getting depressed in this flat now. This inner city life and this inner city mess. A city full of people cracking under stress. Most walk through the streets with a frown upon their face. Do our hearts turn cold and live each other in the second case? The smog, the pollution unbearable, corruption day to day. Traffic problems won't go away, so pissed off, so much to say. Once there were shops, now high tower blocks. A crime rate, the knife is right. I fight her, the knife is rife. I find it hard to think, what's good about this city life? And I'm thinking of home. Wales! Wales! For my sweet home is Wales. Till death do us part, you're forever in my heart. For my sweet home is Wales. With its valley so green and its lake so blue, I speak for Wales with pride. As my endless love goes deeper with every turn on my hometown tide. Somebody might have heard this before. I've done it last time and it's one of my favourites, but it leads on to a poem that has never seen the light of day, so it's going to be a bit of an exclusive after this one, but this one sort of leads into this. When I was 16 doing my GCSEs, I found in the 90s a thing called rave music and the old Fantasia Universe festivals, and yeah, for the next 10 years my life was consumed by this dance music. And I'm a family man, I got 3 kids and I can reflect back on the time, but this poem sort of describes that and maybe take you through a journey if you didn't experience it yourselves. Upon these festival fields the party people converge. From near and far they start to merge into acres of land, and it's fenced all around with a number of tents fixed to the ground. Each playing music with a different style to suit the need to feel happy inside. The garage and house, techno, trance. And have a chill or have a dance. Old school hardcore, drum and bass. Take powder and pills to get off your fucking face. Time flies by, you're having fun. But how many pills have you done? Remember the feeling from one tab combined with the amphetamine dab? What's going on? How times have changed. All these chemicals now rearranged. They're no longer pure MDMA. See, these pills are fucking shit. That's what I say. We love to dance and party, take drugs and float away. But like most things in life, there's a price you have to pay. It's that come down in the morning, after all the highs. I sit and start to smoke amongst the moans inside. Fuck, my head is in a mess. My legs have gone all weak. I tried to seek a lift home, but my prospects just look bleak. So along the country road, slowly I must roam. I'm in the middle of nowhere. I've got no money to get home. I'm hungry, but I cannot eat, and the food will taste like shit. But I have the essential item, my regular ganja. So to home I'm getting closer, and my feet feel the pain. Thank God I'm nearly there, as it slowly starts to rain. As I reach my destination, I sigh in relief. It's good to be home, after a morning full of grief. See, memories last forever, the dance vibe's never gone. And if music is the key to life, then life must carry on. For all my days to come, my experience I can share. Some people won't understand unless they've really been there. So as I reminisce with my friends, we get wrecked and share some laughter, as we all tell our stories about the mornings after. I actually left a big chunk of that poem out, I completely forgot it, so I do apologise. Like this one is, the last one is a bit long-winded, so I do apologise. But this has never been read before, and I'd like to read this tonight. It's dedicated to a friend. He asked me to write a poem, which is always difficult when somebody asks you to write a poem, but it took me a while, and it was about that last pill. I was asked to write a poem about that one last pill. Like morbid thoughts entered my mind, bad pills with the power to kill. A pill that takes your life away when your body can't take no more. Then before your spirit knows it, heaven and hell is above the doors. Now you've reached the end, my friend, which direction will you take? Looking back upon your life helps the direct decision you will make. In total wonder you stand alone, thinking of what to do. Now looking up two doors, which one will you go through? It's then an angel calls out to you, come on and sit down over here. You turn around and start to walk, to God's wish you do concur. The angel starts to sing in Latin, yet somehow you understand, the power to send you back to life lays within its hands. Describing your life in perfect song, your heartbeat starts to race. A tear of bloody water trickles down your face. I'm looking upon total beauty, then I'm blinded by pure light. A doctor is asking me, are you alright? Are you alright? I'm awake on a hospital trolley, corridor lights are whizzing by, and faintly I can hear the noise, pain etched in their cry. Turning my head to the side, finding it hard to focus in on the person that is holding my hand, upset and nervously shaking. Around you are the ones who love you, you know who and why. You've seen the ones that care for you when your spirit passes through that sky. It's then your vision leaves you, everything just turns black. Electric shocks flow through you to cure a heart attack. Life and death dance together, the body can go either way. Jesus fights the devil, what result will make your day? The next thing I know, I'm awake in bed, still writing and rhyming, using the brain in my head. For now it's me, I realise, the dream of freestyle rhyming. I'm wide awake in reality, now writing in perfect timing. About that one last pill, I feel the pain in what I mean. The last pill is taken another way. I quitting the scene. No more euphoric feelings through dance, those times have sadly gone. Now I'm pondering in times of boredom upon days when my character shone. For meanings may be different, death comes in an unseen way. The rave in me is dying by giving up and calling it a day. Yet my life's not dead, thankfully alive, without the vibe and this resented hate. Think of the times now, was it destiny or was it fate? See, verses may be lost when I write, from the dreamy vision seen tonight. Around the present shines so bright, inside my words is my guiding light. For what you make of it is up to you. See, I just write it down as best I can. Try to enjoy life and growing up and becoming a man. Responsibilities now, a loving family and a home. New directions found, a follow, keep your heart and your feet on the ground. To that magic energy in life it flows, the emotions hit and the feelings grow. Inside you know it and let it show. Make a difference, give it a go and see. You never know the future and what will be will be. To end on drained notes of culture, that's life and live it your way. For me, I need to smile and make the most of every day. Friends always forever and good times I'll never forget. Yeah, there may be times I look back, oh yes, I regret. Embrace the divine change, like being happy makes me cry. It's strange that, I often thought, looked at the sky and whispered, why? Thank you very much.